This is how mercury looks like, a chemical element which is commonly known as quicksilver. Its uses comes in diverse ways. However, according to the expert, the unregulated use of mercury in some products can pose a harmful global challenge in the form of mercury poisoning. Mercury poisoning can lead to the damage of the human organs, especially the kidneys, brain, skin, and some birth defects. The need to protect individuals and the environment became important when the world's attention was drawn to the deadly mercury poisoning in the mid-1950s when the people of Minamata, a village in Japan, began to notice their cats were going crazy and falling into the sea. Some people thought the cats were simply committing suicide. Soon, the strange illness began to affect the people. The people of Minamata reported numbness in their limbs and lips. Some had difficulty breathing or seeing. Others developed shaky or tremors in their hands and legs, difficulty walking, and even brain damage. In 1959, researchers from Kumamoto University discovered the source of the illness, which were high levels of mercury poisoning, and named it the Minamata disease. In 2013, 140 countries signed the treaty designed to protect human health and the environment from the deadly compounds. Ghana, however, became a signatory in 2014. In Ghana, for over 2 decades, many local and internationally coordinated initiatives undertaken to mitigate its harmful effects have been mostly unsuccessful. For instance, mercury use in the hospital has become a growing problem, especially how its contamination is not visible to the human eye, although its impact can be harmful.
A lot of studies have gone into it. That's why globally we have come to the point that we must make mercury history, meaning that we don't need it any longer for use, even though it has been quite useful for us in our development.
As part of the process of implementing the Round 2 of the Minamata Convention, project implementers are focusing on the health sector. According to them, the trickling effect of mercury poisoning in the sector could be dangerous.
Health workers in Ghana are resilient and very cooperative in some of these things, especially when it concerns their own health. The risk here is not to just patients. We actually use the thermometers, we use the sphygmomanometers, we use the amalgam. You may use it for one patient, but the one patient, the risk is different from you who sees 10 patients in a day using the same material. So I believe the health workers will cooperate, give us the relevant data that we need, and then when it is time, they will champion the need to phase out mercury-based devices in the system.
The stakeholder meeting brought to the table experts from the EPA, Ghana Health Service, SEBS, Ghana Standards Authority, the World Health Organization, UNDP, among others. Reporting for GBC News, Gifty Ajay, Accra.